Good morning, students. Welcome back to page number 84, subject EVS, lesson number 12, work we do. Now we will start reading from page number 84. In the picture. In the picture, you saw many people work together to build a new building. School is also one such place where many people work. Write what work is done in the school. So, the following works are done in the school. Children are given thorough education. Teachers teach children. All children pray in the morning. Children are made to do various activities such as studying, drawing, pictures, playing, dancing, singing, and making various TLM, teaching learning materials. Children are taught skill enhancing activities. A school molds every child in such a way that he or she becomes a good citizen of the country. Now we will move to the second one. Are there any children in the picture who are not going to school? What are they doing? In the picture, there is one boy at the tea stall who is serving tea to people. Some children are playing under the tree. One girl is going with her father to sell watermelons. All these children are not going to school. Now we will move to page number 85. So students, here comes the page number 85, and now we will read from the upper line. Household work. Deepali is also one such girl who does not go to school. Let us read about her. Deepali is the eldest child in her family. Her father sells vegetables. He leaves for the mandi very early in the morning. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. She also leaves for work early in the morning. Deepali cooks food for her brothers and sisters. She cleans the house and also washes the utensils. She is very fond of listening to the radio. She listens to songs while she works. After finishing the work at home, she goes to drop her brother and with their father. She then takes her younger sister Suman and Shaila to school. So, here comes the explanation of this paragraph. Deepali is the eldest child in her family, and her father sells vegetables, and for that he goes mandi. Here mandi means market, very early morning, and her mother washes utensils in some houses, and she also goes early morning for the work. Deepali cooks food for her brother and sister, and also she cleans the houses and washes utensils. And she loves to listen music in radio. She listens songs when she works. And after finishing work at home, she drops brother with her father. And then she takes her younger sister Suman and Shaila to school. In the first line, Deepali is also one such girl. So, Deepali is also one such girl means the picture is given in the page number 82 and 83, which are not going to, the page number 80 and 81. In that also some girls and boys are not going to school. So, this whole story is depend on the Deepali, that girl which also want to go to school, but for reason or some another reason she is not able to go in the school. So this is the whole story about the Deepali. Now we will read from the last para of this page number 85. After that, Deepali helped her mother in her work. In the afternoon, she brings her brother and sister back home. In the evening, she plays with other children in the neighborhood. her mother comes back home late in the evening. Dipali helps her mother cook dinner for the family. Her father comes home very late at night. At night, Dipali loves to lie in the bed and read her sister's school books. She has studied up to class 3. So student, here comes the explanation now. In this para, it is after that the Dipali is doing the work and also she helps her mother in work. And in the afternoon, she brings her brother and sister from school. And evening, she likes to play with the children which lives in neighborhood. Her mother comes late in the evening. And Dipali also help her mother in cooking dinner for the family. Her father also came late at night. At night, when Dipali lie on bed, she loves to read the sister's school book, and she was studied up to class 3. Now we will read the next one. 3 years back when her. Now we have to change the page number 86. So students, here comes the page number 86 and we'll start reading from the upper line. Little brother was born. She had to stay back home to take care of him. She could not study anymore. She feels that reading books helps her to know the things. Now she is back to school and goes regularly. So students, in this line, when her little brother was born, she had to stay home to take care of him. For this reason, she could not study any more. She feels that reading book can help her to know the things. Now she is back and she goes regularly to school. Now we will read now this one. Remember and write. What work does Dipali do in her own house? So students, here comes the answer. What work does Dipali do in her own house? Dipali does the following work in her own house: preparing food for her younger brother and sisters, cleaning the house and washing the utensils. After finishing the work, going to leave her brother with their father, taking her younger sisters Suman and Sheila to school, helping her mother to cook the evening meal. Now we will move to the second one. Do you also do household work? If yes, what? So students, you are helping your mother in household work. If yes, the answer is yes, I do the following works at home: cleaning the house, arranging things in their proper places, helping mother to fill water, arranging the sofa, wiping the washed utensils, making my bed. Now here comes the third one. Besides household work, do you do any other work at home? If yes, what? Yes, I do other works besides household works, like bringing necessary things from shops, bringing vegetables from the greengrocers, taking my grandparents to the temple, bringing milk, curd, etc., and watering the plants. Now we will move to page number 87. So students, here comes the page number 87 and we will read from the upper line. Given below are some daily activities. Show on the face of the clocks at what time of the day you do them. So it is written here, the clock is given, and in the below it is written wake up in the morning. So you have to draw the hands of the clock and which time you wake up in the morning. Then it is given the next is go to school, at which time you are reaching to school, and in the next it is written from the school, and here you have to draw the hands of the clock. At the downside it is written sit down to study at home, at which time you are study at home. And after that it is written go to play, at which time you go to play at outside. And at the last, sleep at night, at which time you sleep at night. So this is a homework for you. Now we will move to the downside. Which of your family members do household work? What work do they do? So here also the two columns are prepared. First, it is heading is family members, and second one is work they do. So first we will take our mother. First member is our mother. All household work like preparing food, keeping the house clean, taking care of the smooth running of the house. And now we will take the second one. Yes, sister, helping mother in all the household work. Now we will move to the third one. Elder brother, bringing necessary things from the market. Now we will take our father, taking care of the social and bank related financial work of the house. And at the last we will take grandfather, going to pay the light bill. So students, we will end here only, and in the next video we will meet in the page number 88. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.